Good morning. Good morning. Today's day one of me starting on this new adventure of creating content. Today is exciting for me because I wanted to start a channel, doing something with my free time. I recently was out of work, temporarily because I hurt myself, but now I'm back to work. And I'm fine, I'm not that hurt anymore, but I was. So while I was home not working, I decided I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I didn't know anything about it. So today I'm starting it because I've done a little bit of due diligence and shopping. I bought, which I'm opening today, I'm very excited about, from Amazon. I bought a microphone that I can put on, which I'm not wearing now because I haven't opened the package yet, and some lighting, which I'm clearly not using at the moment, and a drone. I bought a drone. I don't know how to use a drone. I don't know anything about drones other than they fly around and they take pictures of stuff that you can't see, which actually, what I really wanted this drone for was to see around corners where I can't see, or to see above. A lot of the times I go hiking in the woods and I have a dog and I like to let him off leash, but I don't know what's around the corner in the woods. It's like other people or people with dogs, or I don't know, a bear. Or mud. There's a lot of mud, and sometimes, like today for example, you don't know a trail, you go down the trail and you're like, oh, okay, you're a mile into it and there's a little bit of mud, and then you come into a really big non-traversable mud patch and you have no choice but to go through the mud patch. And I realize having a drone isn't going to help that, but I can't help but thinking if I had used a drone and seen how muddy it actually was today, I might have chosen a different trail. And I don't know that I would use a drone for that, but it's crossed my mind more than 20 times. So I did buy the drone, kind of thinking that I want to see what else is out there, which obviously is also a part of this this channel, because I'm a letter carrier. That is my actual real job, and I go places and I see things that you can't really see. Like normal people don't get to go down these private driveways. I've been down a lot of private driveways and I've seen a lot of really cool houses, some really neat flowers, some wildlife. And you know, when you're driving down a road and you see a sign for something that looks kind of cool, but it says private property, no trespassing, I don't know, like maybe a drone. Can I use a drone in that? I don't know. So it's just something I'm starting. It's really just a hobby. And if I find something and I find it interesting and I want to show it to you, that's what I'm going to do. So you can watch or not watch. You can subscribe, not subscribe. It's fine. Either way. I'd like to have subscribers. So if you want to click the subscribe button and follow me, I would appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.